Chart B. Proportions of the detective. A lower problem that has been had in the companies in the high proportions of detective products. These situations affected the safety for customers and generations a bad image of the company. Variations in the proportion, defective and intensive sampling or subgroups are monitored in the pie chart. Its fundamentalizations reports in the timeless details of the special cause. They might increase or the proportions of detectives products in a process.
In general, the tool runs when there's a significant change in this type of process, which may desirable or undesirable change in terms of weighted levels. This conversation takes place in a company in the food industry. Here, by means of certain maintenance, outages are paid in packages. A problem that has been had is that there is air inside the envelope.
Good morning, team. How is Sushan's manufacturing process going? I need information.
Good morning. I've been running some tests on the sausage packages, and we're having a problem with the air inside the packages.
That is a big problem. If a patient with a reaches the market in the way, the shelf life in the shortness, so that after a few days, the sushi will be to stronger colors and looser in finishes. This situation has repercussions on disaster revenge customers and can generate a bad image of the company. What happened to patients?
We have been reminded of the importance of not leaving packages with air, but there is no record of the magnitude of the problem. There are no databases to detect changes in the performance of the machines, and there was no way of knowing if the measures taken to reduce the problem have worked.
What do you use to solve this problem?
I will record the results and analyze them by means of a control letter. I will record on a table the numbers of packages held with air and the total number of packages per hour.
I can help you with this data and I can know that the problem is of the types do not go. Therefore, to analyze the variations on the proponents of defectives to letter P must be ample.
We will do that then.
I give you a month to find of the causes of the third eye problems.
Sounds good to me. Tell me in a month.
Perfect.
One month after.
Good morning. How was your hop?
Very well. I made a pie chart graph with the subgroups and proportion of the effects found. The proportion of subgroups 1, 12, and 36 were found to exceed of the control limit. It follows that during the packaging of those who groups the process world in the presence of special causes that cause the proportion defective to be a normal relation. And I investigated what happened in subgroups 1, 12 and 36 and found that during those hours, the role of plastic baking film was changed.
In other words, there is standardization method to change the film and each operates used his characters. If you consult the manuals of the pages machines, you will see the instructions for changes of the film are given there.
That's true. I will design a method to change the film and give the responding training to my team of operators. I think that will fix the problem. Let's hope that these increases in the problem do not occur again.
I have just been informed that the operations cannot date with the changes the film they should be more alert. Since more patients will lack a vacuum where detections.
Yes, I think I will have to pay more attention to how my operators work. Now we know that even a small action can affect the maintenance of products.
Of course, and if in negative affective the mentions of the products, it's make us waste material, time and money.